In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the mouse cursor visibility in AutoCAD. If you've ever struggled to find your cursor on a busy drawing, improving its visibility can make a big difference in speed and comfort. We'll adjust two simple settings, the crosshair size and its color. Both changes happen inside the same place, so this will be quick and clear. Start by opening the Options dialog. The fastest way is to type Options into the command line and press Enter. This brings up a window where you can control many display preferences. We'll focus on the Display tab because that's where the cursor settings live. On the Display tab, look for the crosshair size control. This adjusts how long the crosshair lines extend across your screen. A small size keeps the crosshair close to the center, while a larger size stretches it farther, sometimes across the entire drawing area. Increase it until the crosshair is easy to track without feeling distracting. There's no single right value here. Pick what feels comfortable for your eyes and your monitor. Larger sizes can help in dense drawings, while a moderate size often balances visibility with clarity. Take a moment to try a few values and notice how your cursor stands out against different backgrounds or geometry. Next, while you're still on the Display tab, click the Colors button. This opens the interface color settings, where you can fine-tune the appearance of key elements. Find and select crosshair in the list of items. Then choose a new color that's easier to see. Aim for strong contrast with your background. For example, if you tend to work on a dark background, a bright saturated color usually pops. Try to avoid colors that are too close to common layer colors in your drawings, so your cursor doesn't blend in with lines or hatches. You'll see a preview as you pick, which helps you decide before committing. After selecting a color you like, confirm your changes and close the dialogues. Your crosshair should now be both larger or more appropriately sized, and colored for maximum visibility. If something doesn't feel quite right, you can return to the same settings at any time and make small tweaks until it's perfect for your workflow. That's all there is to it. By adjusting just the size and color of the crosshair in the Options display settings, you can reduce eye strain, speed up navigation, and stay focused on your design. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer, more comfortable drafting experience in AutoCAD.